Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome back to the channel. And today we got the iPhone mini. We just unboxed the iPad mini and I was really excited about it. And now we have an iPhone mini and I feel like this is the year of the minis. That's what I think. That's what I feel. This is the year of the minis, where the mini devices take our hearts, steal us away, and convert us forever to a restoring, smaller form factor that we don't always need. Bigger, better, 2 screens. But we need this. This we need. This 100% we need. Everything in a world where things just keep getting bigger, Apple is making things smaller and bigger at the same time. So this is the iPhone mini and I got the other blue. They call it just blue, but that's not blue. This is something else. It's a different kind of blue. It's a lovely blue. It's not quite a navy blue. It's not a turquoise. It's not a Tiffany's. It's Apple. It's Apple blue. So that's what we're gonna call it. Apple blue from here on out. No plastic wrapping on this thing anymore. So take note, no more plastic wrapping. So here is our lovely device right there. And it just pulls right out. No cellophane on it. Remember the cigarettes back in the day? Did you used to smoke? I used to smoke. Cellophane, wrap it up. Unwrap your cigarettes. It kept it fresh. They're sending us phones wrapped in cellophane to keep them fresh. Now they're not, and it's a waste of plastic or resources, I don't know. But this is an unboxing, so in the box, we've got our USB-C to Lightning, so that is happening. And we have our paperwork and probably, hopefully there's an itty bitty cute little Apple sticker in there. We always gotta mention the Apple sticker just in case, you know, it's not there, right? So we look for it to make sure it is there. So keeping Apple accountable to the Apple sticker, because that's what we're paying for when it comes down to it, an Apple sticker in our phone. That's why we go to Apple. So here is the mini. Have you ever picked up something small or looked at something small? You just kind of laughed like, that's it? There's no more? Is there some more back there? You a grower, not a shower? What is it? Nope. This is it. This is the whole thing. It's itty bitty. It's itty bitty. Now I had the other mini, but I had to stop using it because the battery was, the camera on it was decent, no complaints at all. It was super snappy. It was very responsive. I absolutely loved it, but I found myself, I couldn't even get through my work day and then go home, right? It would die before I would get home. So I was like, I need the bigger battery. So here is the Pro Max, which I've been rocking for a few days. It's bigger screen, bigger battery, Pro Motion. I'm a horrible tech YouTuber, and I should know the answer to this. I don't know if this is 120 hertz display. I don't think it is. I'm gonna turn it on and take a look and tell you guys what I think. It's so small. It's so little. Look at the size difference. It's like, it's pretty substantial. It's like, just gonna cut that off, and then you got a mini. It's a little cell phone. Now, I'm not gonna say like this is for little people or this is for ladies or this is for people with small hands. This is for a person that wants to hold a phone and feel like they're in control. My friend Kristen, she doesn't watch my videos, but we have this running joke. Whenever we would go out to dinner and she would pick up her silverware and she would drop it and she would go, it's because it's too big. I drop things because it's too big. So it's a running joke with us that when we get together, we always work that to the conversation about something being too big and that's what's preventing you from doing it. Well, somehow I kind of feel the same about this device. It's pretty big. It's substantial. It's huge. Do you want to carry a huge device? Throw even a thin case on top of it. It's still pretty substantial. This is not substantial. This feels perfect. It is just like, it feels like home. That's what this feels like. It feels like the power of an iPhone in my hand, but still not like a giant device. Because I think over the years, we've equated bigger and size to power and productivity, and that's not the case. Definitely not the case with Apple. But the battery always comes into question. The battery always comes into play, especially with any smaller type of device. So I'm gonna come over here, just kind of see if I can get this thing cranked down really quick. I'm gonna set this up manually and not sync anything up and deal with that later. Apple verification code on my watch. I love how when you're setting it up, it brings up all of your old settings from your previous iPhone device and says, hey, do you want to move all this stuff back over to this device? And the answer, not the settings is what it wants. And I said, yes. So the phone immediately went into dark mode and all that stuff. So I think it's really, really awesome. And it brings over all of my cards for Apple Pay, and I'll set all of that up later. Welcome to the iPhone. That probably took 4 minutes to set up, maybe 5. Yeah, it didn't take long to set it up at all. Here it is. We're already here. I don't think this has Pro Motion based on what I'm seeing, and this one does. So there is a difference, right? I feel there's just an inherent difference when you swipe open this device. It looks smoother, it looks better. I don't think this has the Pro Motion. For me, it doesn't matter because I have to get rid of my iPhone 12 Pro Max, send it in on the trade for that. So I need a new iPhone for my work. I'm gonna leave this one as my personal device, and I'm gonna make this one my work device. So that way I'm still on the Apple iPhone everything, but I don't have to carry around 2 giant, huge phones. So I'm super happy and super excited. I'm gonna stop saying super. How many supers have I said? I don't know. Go back and rewatch the video and count how many times I've said super during this video and put it in the comments and let me know, because I'm sure there's a lot. So this is a really exciting device for me. I've got the iPad mini. I have the mini iPhone. I'm really, really happy with it. Hopefully you guys are too. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. You want to pay me the ultimate creator compliment, share my content with your friends and your family on social media. If you have made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Now get the out of here. Till next time, namaste.